Are you a direct primary care practice looking for specific billing and practice management software to help you with your specific needs? Maybe you just do DPC, or maybe you need a hybrid. In this video, we talk about Health Biller and how it can help you with your DPC billing needs. Hi, I'm Jacob with Health Biller. Let's jump right into this DPC demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Demo. Now there's two different ways that you can use Health Biller for the direct primary care. It's either direct primary care completely, or you can use it as a hybrid. And I'll show you kind of how that looks in just a moment. We'll go into the direct primary care, choose our patient, Leslie Acevedo, and then we've got our membership tab, and our DPC information lives here. Now if we were doing the hybrid version, we've got that tab as an insurance, and you can see primary, secondary, tertiary, and of course the direct primary care as well. So in here we've got our Stripe account that we can set up. Using Stripe, the information is safe. It's not in Health Biller at all. You just set it up there, and then we get what we need as we run it for the selected card or bank account. We've got our bill amount and the frequency that we're going to charge that. And then, of course, we can choose the method. We've got a credit card, the ACH, which is the bank account, or a statement. So if you have a patient that doesn't want to give you a credit card and just have that run, or a bank account and just have that run, you can send them a statement every month. Now, this related mail statement checkbox, that will mail them a statement if they're using statements, but also if you wanted to mail them a statement for a credit card or the ACH charge, this is not mutually exclusive. So then we've got our date for the next bill. I've got this set back a few days so that when I run that, it'll run, and that updates when we run that. Got our billing code for that charge, and signed agreement checkbox, and inactive box if you'd like to stop that process from running. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and go to billing. So this is where we run the direct primary care charges. Our effective date would run everything that we're charging for today or earlier that hasn't been run. And then if we look back at our patient here, you can see that we have our next bill moved forward for the next month. So that will run automatically each month unless you go in there and change that. You can also see under the reports what's been done. So we can look at the practice analysis, for example. And you can see that we've got our DPC code for the membership fee that's been run. And you can check the transaction journal. And since it's the last charge, it'll be at the bottom. So we've gone ahead and run the membership fee. So under the ledger, you can see that we've created a bill here for that DPC charge. We've got the charge as well as the credit card, which balances out the bill and also allows this to be on the reports. Another thing we can do is we could use this copay button. If you're using the hybrid, that works great for a copay. It also works great if you're trying to charge them for something that doesn't fall into the DPC or insurance. Either way, you put in an amount that you want to pay. You could apply it to an existing bill if you want, or create a new bill. Pick the payment type and amount, hit OK, and it will create the bill, or apply it to an existing bill, which can give you a lot of flexibility in charging the patient for those things that you need to charge them for. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of what Health Biller can do to help your practice, click on these videos or visit us at healthbiller.com.